We are behind Montparnasse Station in Paris, where we had to lift air ventilation systems onto the roof of Montparnasse Station for our client, Axima. The loads were roughly 2 tons.
So for this project, we worked with a Terex AC500-2. The specific nature of its application is that we did not have much room at the worksite. The crane was set up with a luffing fly jib with sideway superlift.
At this place, to be able to spread our load wisely, because it is a very heavy crane, it was necessary to have a specific outrigger setting. Around 14 transports were necessary to move this crane, to move a total of 180 tons of counterweight.
We had to lift loads up to 5 tons at a radius of up to 96 meters and at a height of 85 meters.
Of course, there were many advanced discussions with the RATP, with the traffic department, with the city hall, to manage to tuck the crane into this place. It was necessary to detour the bus lanes. It was all a preparation that was done in advance with meetings.
The biggest challenges with the site were the rather small site, the urban setting due to Montparnasse Station. So there's a lot of traffic, bus lanes, train passengers, and everything involving mass transit.
To be able to do the work, it was necessary to work at night in a very short time, and therefore we had to mobilize the team with 2 shifts. So on this site, we asked Terex Cranes for a confirmation about the reeving in order to gain a few kilos. A few hundred kilos are paramount at that radius. We asked Terex Cranes for a confirmation in order to be able to use a hook with 2-part reeving instead of the standard hook with 3-part reeving, which allowed us to have the smaller hook and thus be able to gain the few kilos we were missing to do this project. It's thanks to this input that we were able to complete this project with the AC500.